Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best iPhone 14 Pro Max clear cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Selecting a cheap, arbitrary transparent case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max is not recommended. Cases from shady manufacturers can quickly give your iPhone 14 Pro Max a yellow tint, ruining its appearance. The yellow impact will eventually be visible in most transparent circumstances. But well-known case manufacturers adhere to stringent manufacturing standards to prevent their transparent casing from becoming yellow too rapidly. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPhone 14 Pro Max clear cases, so let's get started. 14 Ringke Air, slim yet sturdy with the Ringke Air model. All the important elements of the brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max have been taken into consideration, including the design, protection, weight, and everything that you want to experience. The Ringke Air is intended to maintain your phone's natural design for a sleek, lightweight no-case experience. A delicate microdot design and a soft texture that improve gripability help prevent watermarks. Made of transparent TPU that successfully guards against shock and scratches from regular use. Hand straps, wrist lanyards, and phone charms may all be used with the smartphone thanks to duo quick catch lanyard holes on either side. Additional accessories not included supports wireless charging and is compatible with screen protectors. 13 A mini magnetic case. With room for buttons and dust protection, this case wraps your phone perfectly. Our case is meant to be non-yellowing, won't get oily when worn, and stays clear over time using high-grade TPU and PC components. The four corners of this special design effectively absorb shocks. Clear magnetic case give your phone 360 degrees of protection. The corners of our case are angled just right to shield the most important components of your phone. 12 Caseco crystal clear. You should purchase a coordinating clear cover for your iPhone 14 Pro Max regardless of whether you go with a hue of blue, black, gold, or a brand new green exterior. Purchase the Caseco clear case from Amazon right away. The casing does have conventional protection, however unlike ESR, it lacks raised edges. The casing is wireless charging ready and 0.04 inches thin. The protective case has 4 built-in corner airbags that try to disperse and lessen impact while protecting your iPhone from a violent drop. 11 Toros Diamond Clear. German-made products always clear and brilliant utilizing premium Bayer's ultra-clear TPU and PC materials. You can admire the phone's original breathtaking beauty while knowing that it won't become greasy when in use. Never yellow because of the anti-yellow coating, which can successfully fend off 99.9% of sweat and UV ray-induced yellowing. Pleasant and smooth grip, thin, narrow fit. Exactly support standard wireless charging and perfectly complement your phone without feeling cumbersome. Based on military-grade protection, this iPhone 14 Pro Max 5G updated 3rd Gen X shock effectively increases protection performance 1.5 times by combining a fully covered hard PC back that is capable of efficiently absorbing shocks or impacts up to 50.16 MPa. To combat daily grinding, 1.5mm higher lips provide improved screen and camera protection. 10 SimTech Ultra Clear. As one of the few brands offering clear cases for your phone 14 Pro Max, SimTech stands out among the rest. This iPhone 14 Pro Max clear case can effectively block 99.9% of ultraviolet rays, stains, fingerprints, and sweat while maintaining longer-lasting clarity and never turning yellow over time thanks to its finish, which includes the AF anti-fingerprint electroplate coating, anti-oxidation coating, and nano-oleophobic layer. You can avoid paying excessive costs by replacing transparent cases more frequently. This case has a 1.2mm raised bezel around the screen, and the backboard is made of solid anti-scratch polycarbonate, helping to effectively prevent scratches from wear and tear. To avoid daily stains, the case backplane is constructed with premium Bayer ultra-clear material. You can easily remove fingerprints thanks to the proprietary AF anti-fingerprint coating. 9. ESR Metal Kickstand Case. Here is one cover to take into consideration if you want to add another layer to what a clear case may provide. The metallic kickstand enables both horizontal and vertical positioning of your iPhone for the best viewing experience. After more than 3,000 usage, its hinge strength is still 20% intact, and the metal does not rust. This cover, which is certified for great drop protection and qualifies as a military-grade iPhone protector, is equipped with air-guarded corners, a camera guard, and a solid acrylic back. This case offers military-grade protection, a two-way aluminum kickstand, responsive side buttons, and easy-to-use side buttons in addition to military-grade protection. 8 Caseology Skyfall. In response to the Skyfall case, Caseology has developed a new hybrid concept. But this time, the back is made of polycarbonate, instead of plastic. In some cases, this material is actually preferable because it won't break apart on impact. The frame of this iPhone 14 Pro Max case is available in a variety of colors, and it supports wireless charging. Protective raised lip around the camera and matching bumper provide your hand a stylish appearance. Colored side TPU with clear transparent PC back to display the design for iPhone 14 Pro Max. 7 Caseology Capella Mag. The Nano Pop, Parallax, Skyfall, and Vault are just a few of the respectable low-budget cases that Caseology has produced in the past. One of the more affordable transparent MagSafe cases we've seen is its new Capella Mag Clear. Your device will be secure and centered thanks to an integrated magnetic ring that is compatible with MagSafe charging. A layer of ultra-clear TPU and PC ensures scratch resistance and shock absorption from daily use. Raised lip provides additional protection for the camera. 6. Esr Air Armor Case. One of the few clear cases with military-grade drop protection is available from Esr. Your phone will be protected from unintentional drops and scratches thanks to the company's certified drop protection. You don't have to give up the ability to wirelessly charge your iPhone 14 Pro Max. The Esr case is thin enough to let you use the existing wireless charger next to your bed to charge the phone. For added protection, we appreciated the raised design on the corners and all around the camera module. Additionally, the front includes 1.3mm raised edges to prevent damage to a pricey display. 5. Ringke Fusion. Ringke is famous for giving their fans the best of their Fusion series. This case has a simple design that will protect your phone. Designed to preserve and highlight your device's inherent beauty, a transparent case protects your device from damage. In order to provide secure protection, a hybrid case is made up of a polycarbonate clear back panel and a TPU bumper frame. With impact-absorbing and lightweight construction, grip is improved while bulk is reduced. It is possible to use all kinds of accessories with the smartphone by utilizing duo quick catch lanyard holes on either side. 4. Spigen Quartz Hybrid. The Spigen Quartz Hybrid iPhone 14 Pro Max case's concept is quite awesome. Why not combine a flexible and shock-absorbing TPU frame with a material that manufacturers already use on phones, glass? It appears as though you are holding a second chassis on top of your iPhone 14 Pro Max to replace the damaged one. Additionally, it is totally transparent, portable, gripping, and strong. Transparency that is very clear displays the unique phone design. Screen and camera are raised off of flat surfaces by raised bezels. Large cutouts accommodate most cables, while pronounced buttons are simple to feel and press. 3. Esr Classic Kickstand Case with Halo Lock. The combination of a strong outer shell and a soft inside component provides double-layered protection in this hybrid transparent case. This is further enhanced by its high-quality metal kickstand, which is made of zinc alloy and is extremely adjustable to your favorite viewing angle. The buttons are tactile, and all cutouts are exact. Additionally, the corners are air-guarded to lessen the impact of shocks from drops and falls, protecting your pricey iPhone 14 Pro Max from serious harm. This case was designed to last, according to Esr, because it was made with high-quality components and creative design. The Apple phone is supported by its scratch-resistant acrylic back. Additionally, this traditional kickstand case features raised edges so that they will be the first point of impact rather than your phone, protecting the camera and screen on your phone. 2. Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit MagSafe cases can be very expensive, but Spigen's Ultra Hybrid MagFit is a nice deal at roughly $25 if you're searching for a cheap transparent MagSafe case for your new iPhone 14 Pro Max phone. Additionally, Spigen offers a non-mag version of this case for roughly $8 less, along with a number of other choices for iPhone 14 cases. Clear instances typically don't focus on protection, but this particular one does. With this hybrid case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, drops from a specific height, such as your pocket, the dining room table, or bed, can be effectively reduced. The raised bezels also make it so you can use your phone without worrying about scratches on your desk at work or on any other flat surface, such as a kitchen countertop. 1. Apple Clear Case with MagSafe. You can get a clear case from Apple for your iPhone 14 Pro Max that displays the fascinating MagSafe magnets. You can display the true colors of your phone with this iPhone 14 Pro Max case, but that's not all. The case is also very lightweight and slim and has been coated with a scratch-resistant material. Apple's transparent case is the best option if you want a sturdy shell that works with wireless charging and MagSafe attachments. Due to the fact that it is entirely transparent, it has very little personality of its own but is ideal for anyone wishing to showcase the elegant design of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 14 Pro Max clear cases 2022. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.